The one thing we did not replace on this old girl when we built her, we didn't put a new clutch in it. And she's starting to buck. So we're gonna put a new clutch in her, Lord willing, today. We pulled the shifter out and we've taken the gearbox bolts loose. We're gonna slide the gearbox back, leaving the bell housing attached for now so we can set the gearbox and the transfer case onto its mount underneath it. Then we'll pull the bell housing. That'll be the clutch. Well, at least it's clean underneath. We got the gearbox separator from the bell housing, and we're fixing to pull the bell housing down. That's where your clutch is going to be, up inside there. Right there. We got a new throwout bearing, pilot bearing. We'll just knock it all out while we're doing it. But, it's a good unit.
What's the number on one rule of Fight Club?
You don't talk about Fight Club. We got our new clutch in. We cleaned our flywheel, looked really good shape. We went ahead and sanded it some. Got our lineup tool in. The pressure plate was bad, throwout bearing was bad. I think it was causing our jerk. We never had clutch issues per se, but this one is a lot thicker than the old one. And we got a new throwout bearing going on that fork. Our old one was kaput. The new clutch is in. The new throwout bearing is waiting to go in place. I'm anxious to drive her. We got a little grease on the lens, but Tyler's getting the bell housing put back on. We're gonna slide this trans back into its spot. We put a little grease on it. Put a little grease on this input bearing retainer so it's sliding that throwout bearing a little bit easier. Going back up, we just got to get that to go into the pilot bearing. I think we'll have it. We'll put it back together. And she's back together. They're finishing it up underneath the bottom. Now what we had when we were trying to ease off the clutch, we could feel a jump and a buck. Tyler's fixing to jump in it and see what we got with a new one. And we did it outside because the shop's full and the paint booth's full. You ready, Ty? Let's see what happens. Oh yeah. Perfect. Way better.